So here I have my cabbage that I cut in my size preference. I have some sliced onion, I have red and yellow sweet pepper, I have some carrot, and I have a small piece of scallion. Now guys, while I was making the recipe, I was out, so I just find a small piece in my kitchen. You know how Jamaicans go. We just use what we have, alright, and the food still tastes good. So I'm gonna be using it. Now if you want to use some thyme, or if you want to use some fresh garlic, you can go ahead and use it. I don't like to use garlic in my steamed cabbage, so if you want to add it, alright. So here I'm just adding a little oil, maybe like a tablespoon. After adding the oil and it becomes hot, I am going to add my onion, right? Now I'm going to saute my onion just to bring out the flavors together, and then I'm going to add some more ingredients, alright? Sauteing your veggies bring out so much flavor in your cabbage. Alright, now if you don't want to saute your vegetables, sometimes I don't saute my vegetables, like I just add the vegetables on top of like the cabbage and so on. Yes, and then I just add some salt and black pepper, cover the pot and make it steam. But this way guys, I love it too. Alright, so there are so many ways in which I can make a steamed cabbage. Now I did another video where I made it extra crunchy, but today I don't want it too crunchy, so yeah, I'm gonna do it a different way. Alright, now because the carrot is chewy, is the most chewy vegetable, so I'm gonna add it now and just give it a little mix, maybe about 2 minutes, you know, on a very low flame, because of course I know my onion to burn. Alright, now after I do that, I'm gonna add my sweet peppers. Now bear in mind that you can make your dish more colorful than mine. Alright, so I'm not too love sweet pepper, like, you know, sweet pepper have that little taste there where I don't really want to overpower my food. Alright, so I'm gonna just add a small amount. Now because I know want my sweet pepper lose color, so I'm just gonna toss it around for a few seconds, and then I'm gonna add my cabbage. Alright, so after I add my cabbage, I don't know where that clip went guys, but at least it going at the pot. Alright, now I'm just gonna be tossing around just to mix all the seasoning together, and then I'm gonna season up my pot. Now some persons they like to add powder season to their steamed cabbage. I don't add it to mine. I just need some salt and black pepper and my cabbage nice. Alright, now that's just me. If you want to add a whole lot of powder seasoning, you can go ahead. Alright, so just give it a nice mix, and then we're gonna add some black pepper and some salt. Now bear in mind that you add the salt and the black pepper to your preference. I do like to steam my cabbage and you see like the black pepper flakes on the cabbage, but if you don't like it, then you don't have to add it. Alright, I totally forgot to add scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm gonna add enough black pepper to mine. Alright, now I added a little salt because I don't want my vegetable to be salty. Now sometimes some persons they steam the veggies and they add the salt, like when they don't steam the vegetable. If you like to do it that way, you can go ahead and do so as well. I love to add my one with the cabbage and make it steam and have flavor. Right, so either way it still have a taste good. Alright guys, now just mix to combine your salt with all them veggies there, because you don't want some part to taste salty and some part to taste fresh. Alright, now I add my small piece of scallion, then I'm gonna just mix it again, and then I'm gonna cover the pot and make it steam. Now bear in mind that I'm going to kind of saute my veggies for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna just cover the pot maybe like for 2 more minutes. Alright, because I still want a little crunch, but at the same time I don't want it too crunchy. Alright, so depending on the meal that you're having yours with, or just the mood that you're in, maybe in a mood where you want a lot of crunch, or maybe you don't want a lot of crunch, you know, so you just steam your vegetables the way you like it. Alright, or the way you feel for it. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm gonna just cover the pot after mixing it up, and then I'm gonna just make it steam as I say for about 2 minutes. Now I'm using a very low flame. Alright, now at this point my cabbage bring a little juice, you know, of its own, not a lot, but if I cover the pot for a longer time, then it'll have more juice. So I love my little juice, cause you know that's where all the nutrients is. So I'm not gonna make it dry no more. I'm gonna just put out the flame. Now I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share the video, guys, and subscribe if you are new and turn on all notifications so you never miss another upload. Now guys, I'm just dishing out some, and remember you can have this with anything. You can use it as a side dish. That's what I'm gonna be doing with mine today. But sometimes I just eat it with some fried dumpling, or I just eat it anything I want to eat it with. Alright, because you know steamed cabbage, it is so delicious. So mine took about 4 minutes to prepare. Now if you want yours softer than mine, then you know it's gonna take a longer time to steam, maybe like 6 minutes. Alright, but don't steam your vegetable on a high flame, because you want your vegetables to cook slowly, and you also don't want it to burn. So remember, don't cook your vegetables on a high flame. So this is the end product. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notification. I'll be posting more vegetarian meals, because you know we have to think about our health, don't it? So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.